Now that you have filled out general directory information, this tutorial shows how to enhance your directory listing further. You will add branded content such as a logo and a gallery of images to represent your organization. If you remember, this is how the listing was looking at the end of our last video. So let's keep working on it. In your dashboard, click into the logo section. Click this area to upload an image. Navigate to your logo file on your device. Double-click the file or hit Open to bring the logo into your dashboard. If you're having trouble getting your logo to load in your dashboard, take a look at these requirements and try again. You can also send an email to our support team for assistance. Once you see your logo on the dashboard, use the zoom buttons, mouse scroll, or drag these corners to frame your logo appropriately. When you're happy with how it looks, hit Upload. Then Update Profile. Notice the success message confirming the update. You can also click View Profile to see your changes live. It's looking good. Let's go back to the dashboard and add some images of our organization. In your dashboard, click Gallery. Click this area to upload your first image. Images are displayed in the order that you upload them. Navigate to your image file on your device. Double-click on the image or select it and click Open to open the image in your dashboard. If you're having trouble getting an image to load in your dashboard, take a look at these requirements and try again. You can also send an email to our support team for assistance. When your image loads in the dashboard, use zoom buttons, mouse scroll, or drag corners and sides to adjust the image. You can also click and hold down on the image to pan around. When it looks good to you, click Upload. Click in this area again to upload your next image. You can add up to 6 gallery images for your directory listing. Including an exterior of your organization is a great first image option. Depending on your organization, interior shots and some product images can also be important. Did you upload a duplicate or change your mind? Hover over the image and click the Delete button to remove an image from your gallery. Once you are happy with your gallery of images, click Update Profile to save the changes. Note this success message that appears when gallery upload is successful. Click View Profile to see changes on the live site. It looks great! You have successfully enhanced your directory listing by adding a logo and images that represent your organization well to your community and the world around you. Next, consider adding operational hours and social media links to further enrich your profile. And don't forget, reach out for help by sending an email to support@whatsup247.com.